Hello! Today I will show you how to access debug mode and play the egg reverie boss battle as any character you wish. You're gonna drag down the center level until you hear a ring sound. Then, acces. Now, you can access any level you want, including the egg reverie, and change characters for those same levels. However, you should note that this does not save. Normally, you'd only be able to play the egg reverie with Sonic, but here in the acces, you can play as anybody in the game. Here is gameplay of the egg reverie boss fight itself as Mighty. To win the boss fight, you need to beat the egg reverie king and the robot monster. Now, I recommend you pressing double jump. Why do you always press double jump? The first time you press double jump, you will start flying. At this time, you will do this rampage and unless you turn around, do not use it because it uses about 10 minutes. You do need to hit the box a lot of times. Keep in mind you're supposed to beat this as Sonic. That's why this cutscene doesn't show Mighty at all. Thank you for watching. Hope this helped you.